Google announced that its Nano Banana image generation tool is coming to Google Earth. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The collab may sound weird, but Google's offered explanation. First, this is being marketed as a way for users to visualize the past. Google says teachers can prompt the tool to create a hyper-realistic view of what Pompeii ruins looked like in the 78 AD. The company says the algorithm will instantly transform modern-day ruins into a bustling, colorful street scene from the Roman Empire. It isn't exactly mind-blowing, and there's the whole accuracy question. There were no satellite cameras 2,000 years ago, so everything's basically a guess. Google's also advertising some niche use cases like it can be used to create professional real estate plans. The company uses an example of the tool reimagining an empty Tokyo lot as a vibrant shopping and retail district with open spaces. Google suggests this could help clients see what's possible. Google also says that this tool can be used to visualize building projects before breaking ground. The company shares a scenario in which the platform whips up a modern lakefront cabin built from sustainably sourced local materials. The end result is an AI-looking house on a lake. Lastly, the tool can create custom infographics based on Google Earth locations. Google uses the Statue of Liberty as an example. Nano Banana created an infographic with historical information on the statue, including the height and various materials used to create the structure. It's not clear if this feature is only for some high-profile locations or any place on Google Earth. Also, this is AI, so it can have factual inaccuracies. Google's already rolled out this integration, so you can try it out for yourself right now. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.